Hello students, today we are going to start practice set 12 of standard 7th, third chapter. Question number 1, find the HCF. Now what is HCF? Highest common factor. Now the first is 25 and 40. In this you have to draw it and you have to write here 25 and 40 like this. And what you have to see these two numbers should go in one table. Like suppose 5. In 5 table 25 comes, 5 5s are 25. Now in 5 table how much are 40? 5 8s are 40. So now here 5 8 doesn't go in any table, so we will stop here. What you will write here? 5. HCF is 5. We get HCF 5. Similarly, second sum we will do 56 32. Again we will draw. We will write here 56 32. In this we will search a table. Suppose I have taken 2. So I will try with 2. 2 2s are 4. Here 1 carry, that means it becomes 16. Now 2 8s are 16. Here 2 1s are 2. 1 carry 12. 2 6s are 12. Again I will try with this 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Now 16. 2 8s are 16. Now 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8. So now 7 and 4 doesn't go in any table, so we will stop here. Now the HCF is here. 2 into 2 into 2. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply this 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. That means answer is 8 of second sum. Now we see third one, 40, 60 and 75. Again we will draw and write here 40, 60, 75. Now you have to search in which table this go. Suppose 2 will go with 40, 60, but no 75, right? Now we will try with 5. See here, 5 8s are 40. Now 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, it becomes 10. So 5 2s are 10. And 75, here 5 1s are 5, again 2 carry here, and 25 becomes, so 5 5s are 25. Now this will not go in any table. Now we will stop here and we will write HCF is 5. Now here also we will see 16, 27. Now 16 and 27 should go in one table. No table is there that will go in 16 and 25. So you will take 1 16s are 16 and 1 27s are 25. So your HCF is 1. Like this you have to write. Now see next, 18, 32, 48. In this you have to see that with 2 table this go. Now 2 9s are 18, 32, 2 1s are 2, this become 12, 2 6s are 12. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again this will go with nothing. So here 9, 16 and 25, here we stop. So what you will write? The HCF is 2. You will write here. Similarly, now we will see 6th, 105, 154. Now in 7 table we will see 7 1s are 7, here 3, that means 35, 7 5s are 35. Now again this thing, 7 2s are 14, here becomes 1 carry here 14, again 7 2s are 14. So now 15 and 22 doesn't go in any table, so the final answer is HCF is 7. 7, 42, 45, 48. Again you will write here 42, 45 and 48. Now you have to see in which table this 3 go. In one table. 3 in 3. So 3 ones are 3, 1 carry, and 3 fours are 12. Again 3 ones are 3, 1 carry, 3 fives are 15. Again 3 ones are 3, 1 carry, 3 six are 18. Now here we stop because it doesn't go in any table. So your final answer is HCF is 3. Similarly, we will see 8th one, 57, 75, 102. Now you have to see in which table this go. So I will see with 3. 3 ones are 3 again, here 2, 27. Now you know 3 nines are 27. Now this again 3 twos are 6, 1 carry, 3 fives are 15. Here 3 threes are 9, 1 carry becomes 12, 3 fours are 12. Now this doesn't go with any one table, so the final answer is HCF is 3. Now we will see 9th one, 56, 37. Now in this doesn't go with any table, so we will take 1. 156 are 56 are 56. Now 137 are 37, like this. Now HCF is 1. Similarly 10th one we will do 777, 315, 588. Now in this we will see with 3. Now you know 3 twos are 6, 1 carry. Now 3 fives are 15, 2 comes here, 27. Now 3 nines are 27. Here 3 ones are 3. Otherwise you can take this 30. 3 tens are 30 and 1 carry here, and this become 15. So 3 fives are 15. See here 3 ones are again 3 ones are 3. Here 2 carry, that means 28. 3 nines are 27. Again 1 carry here, it becomes 18. Now 18. 3 6 are 18. Like this again you will do with 7. You will try with 7. This thing 7 threes are 21. Now 4 carry here, so this is 49. 7 sevens are 49. Now this we will see 7 ones are 7. This 5 will be come here, 35. Now you know 7 fives are 35. Now this we will see 7 twos are 14. Here 3 will become, so 36. 7 eights are 36. Now HCF is, now here we will stop. 7 twos are 14. Now 19 minus 14, it comes 5. So 56 here. Now 7 eights are 56. 28. Okay. Now we will write this 3, 7 multiply sign you have to write here. So 3 sevens are 21. So this is our answer of 10. So thank you students. In the next video I will show you question number 2.